All right, let's start making cars from clay at our tabletop sculpture classes. So you see I now use a little bit different clay. This one was a little bit beige, like this, cream, and this is more gray. This is actually a white clay. After firing it will become white, like this. No, a little bit off-white. And when I am doing cars, I'm starting actually with the same geometrical form. First I will make a bus as the simplest form. Well, it will be a small bus, a little bit. So when you add the clay, two pieces of clay, combine them, if you just press it like this, then it will not really stick each one to another. In order to make an even, strong piece, you have to really hit it and roll it like this and press really hard, and then you will get some kind of form. And well, now it's really simple. I won't show you anything new with the bus. So you make a rectangular shape. What about the wheels? You see, here the wheels are rather thick. Why? I don't know. And here they're also rather thick, and here they're even flat. And here as well. Well, because I use another intuitive and a very practical way of creating and attaching wheels. I don't want to use water or clay glue or something like this. I will just press them. But in order to press them and fix them at the same time, I'm not making the wheel itself. No, I'm making balls, spheres, more or less of the same type. Here as well you can practice fine motor skills by making a ball with your fingers. It is not that easy. Try it. Maybe you already practiced it over the time of your life, but if not, then that's the point. That's your chance. You see, this is a little bit small and this is a little bit bigger, so I take some clay from it and put it here. Well, actually, don't have to be exact. These wheels are not really the same, but well, here I'm showing you how to make them almost the same, but in other cars I won't really stick to this. So now and then I take this ball, I press it to where it should be, like half the way below the car body, and I press it like this hard but soft, and then it really sticks. It doesn't move already. You see, I'm doing like this. Now I'm showing it from the top. I put like this and I press it, and it already sticks to the clay, to the car body. And from this side like this, you see. Yes, so now we've got some sort of a bus with wheels. It looks more like a wagon. wagon, you see. Doesn't matter, I like it like this. Now, how should I make the windows and everything? Well, now I have this tool with me. You see, I just pressed the lines. Well, and here I will make something a little bit different. I don't know why, but I will try. I will do like this. Maybe it will look more like a modern bus with wait a minute, I'm making it here. It's on the top and here it goes down. I don't like it. If you don't like something, you always can just erase it by smearing and fix it like this. So I want this line be just to show the roof, the upper part of the windows. So I'm putting it like this, and here I'm putting it like this. Here it's okay, here I go here, and here I go here. And the other one, the other line will be just below the windows. And I'm doing it like this, and like this. And now with my with the side of this stick, I'm making the windows here. Well, here I will designate just the sides, and maybe, well, like this, and here like this, and this bus doesn't have any door, you see. Or let's make the door at the rear. That's a very unusual bus. Now I want to make lights. These will be very old-fashioned, round ones, and here I can make them more modern, to here and to here. You see, well, you can invent your own designs. Make here the wheels look a little bit different. Put it like here, and so your toy bus is perfectly ready. You see? Enough for now. Next video will be about the simple car.